Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth transition on CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application. And first of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created. Okay, I have imported two photos to my project. And then I'm going to make it shorter. Okay, for the second photo as well. I'm going to make it around 1.5 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to add keyframe to the photos. Okay, for the first photo, you can click on it, and then you can click on the keyframe icon. Add the keyframe to the first part, and you can add the second keyframe to the end part, and then you can zoom in like this. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the second photo. I'm going to add keyframe as well to the first part and also the end part. Okay, and again you're going to zoom in like this. All right, and then between the keyframe we're going to add curve. Okay, you can select this curve icon, and for the first photo you're going to add the rebound in curve, and then for the second one you're going to add this rebound out, this one. Okay, and then for the transition we're going to add the pull in transition. So you can search for pull in like this, and then you can choose this pull in transition. You can choose either pull in 1 or pull in 2. Okay, and for the pull in 2 you need to subscribe to CapCut, so you can choose the pull in 1 if you don't have CapCut Premium. Okay, and let's play it guys. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, that's so cool. And let's try the pull in 2. I'm going to choose pull in 2. Wait, let's try this one. And this is how the pull in 2 looks like. Okay, I think there's no big difference. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.